Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to unpair your earbuds EDIFIER X5 Pro from your iPhone. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Now, at the last line we have a button for Get this device, and you need to tap this button to remove your earbuds. But if you want to only stop Bluetooth connection with the earbuds but leave it at the device list, then select to disconnect and tap at this button. But let's remove it, so forget this device and forget device. After that, you can put your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!